Mr. Boogeyman.
Yeah, Mr. Boogeyman, yo, that's my name. The word out or you get bit. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo, you forgot the name. Well, it's Mr. Boogeyman. Welcome to my land. Be careful of little baby mans. Hey, yeah. Oh, they call me Boogeyman 'cause I hit this crazy groovy moves. Also quite a crazy man. Watch out for that man. It's really crazy, yeah. Mr. Boogie, that's the name. Forget it again and you better run. Forgetting the name is worse than me. You better run and hide from crazy Boogeyman. Really have to get you. Remember the name next time, asshole!